Hello everyone, my name is Abdulaziz Abdulsalam from Salmi Dev Pro, a brand into digital marketing, programming, web development, graphic designing, social media management, and also Shopify dropshipping designing. Here today, I want to take us through a graphic design class whereby you'll be explaining to each and every one of us about the essence of the graphics designing and how can you become a graphic designer yourself. That is the essence of this class. Firstly, who is a graphic designer? A graphic designer is a practitioner who follows the discipline of graphic design either within a company or organization or independently. Anyone can be a graphic designer. You that you are looking at this movie, that is at this class right now, they are watching this right now, you can become a graphic designer if you are not. Anybody can stand up and say, yes, I'm a graphic designer, because in as much as this person, this individual, they are able to follow the graphic design discipline, the guidelines that are in for it. And what are those guidelines? Those guidelines is for them to be able to create visual concepts using their computer or by hand. There are a lot of things people are doing out there with hand, like those that are doing visual arts, that they do design at the wall, at the plans, and many more like that. It's also a design. But now if you are making use of system, PC, or software tools to bring out that kind of things, that kind of work, that kind of design, then you are a graphic designer. Because it will be able to communicate and inspire other people, and it's also captivating. If you are a graphic designer and your design is not very much captivating, then you are yet to become a graphic designer. Because everything that graphic designers do deals with creativity. Creativity is very much important. In as much as you are able to bring out any creativity in everything you are doing, then you are qualified to call yourself a graphic designer. Yeah, for the sake of this class, not taking it too long and not taking too much of our time, I will quickly go on and showcase to us what I want us to get this morning. Yeah, the designing we are going to make use of this morning today is a little flyer that you can use to showcase our business brand work, like this one that I have here on the screen. This is a flyer design I did for my own brand, and what I offer there, I stated it, and also I have my own call to action. Yes, I will take us through a way of which you also will be able to do this, even if you don't know anything about graphic designing or you have not able to design anything before. If you are a graphic designer yourself also, come to us, join us, and let us do it together. If there is any corrections, please kindly make any corrections later on. Thank you very much, and thank you once again for being with us here this very moment. Yeah, before we can start to say we want to do a graphic design work, we need to have our tool. We need to get ourselves set up. There's a lot of software tools outside there that people are making use to make designs. One of them is Canva, one of them is CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, Pixel App, and many more like that. But the one I am going to make use of this morning is Canva. Yeah, Canva is a website, and also they have an application that runs on both mobile phone and laptops. You can even run Canva on your website, on Chrome. Yes, if you are not able to get the application. First, if you want to get Canva application, kindly come to your Google Chrome application like this and search for Canva. Yes, I already have it here. Search for Canva. Why you have this kind of page. If your own page is different from what I'm getting, if you have this different thing, that means you are here to sign up. Kindly sign up with your Gmail account and sign in to the application. Canva is a software that has a lot of templates you can use to start your own design, but it's not very much okay making use of someone else's design without being able to deduce what you need for your own self. Let's say we come down here now to templates. We are going to find numerous templates, a lot of templates here that people have worked on, and you can make use of it for quick design though. Yes, like this one for example. Now you can see now this one showcase products. We can come with something good than even more than this one. Yes, you can come with it, but it's based on creativity. If you are able to sit down and say, yes, I want to bring out a new idea, that is when you are going to get it done. But if you rely on templates, I'm sorry, it's not going to work out like that. Yes, when you have known that, sign up with your Gmail account or email and create a password. And after that, open your Canva application. It's either you open it from your system, your PC, or your mobile phone. Yeah, once you have done that, the next thing is to open a design template. Yes, as I already said, we can either make use of any of this, or we start our own design from scratch. But this morning we are going to start our own design from scratch. Before we start, there is something I want us to know, and that is we must firstly know the kind of design size we want to make use, because we can't just open a design template and start to design. We must know the kind of size we want to design on. A lot of design size out there. We have square, we have logo size, because we have banner size. They are of different size. We have size of 2400 by 2400. We have by 1080 by 1080. We have 500 by 500. A lot of design size outside there that you can use, and also it's based on what you need. Actually, what you need will determine the kind of size of design you want to get. But this morning we are going to get the one of 1800 by 1800. Yeah, the width is 1800, 1080 rather, and 1080. Yeah, create new design. This interface that I'm making use of is the one of PC version. This is an application. This is the Canva application on my PC right this moment. Yes, why I am opening this design template, this will be the interface of which you will get once you have opened your own laptop, your own application on your PC or your phone. Although on mobile phone it might be different a bit, but nevertheless it's still the same thing. It's only that the visual arrangements are different from each other, because we have big screen and small screen. Yes, the first thing is, as I already said, we are going to create a simple and minimal flyer design that showcases the work we do. So I will do my own based on my own work. I mean, based on the brand I am with, and also I want every one of us watching this class to bring out their own design also with the kind of work they do. Thank you very much once again, everyone. Yes, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have my image placed on the template, but I'm going to make use of an element called frame. You come to element and search for frame. Yes, this is the frame. Yeah, you can resize the frame the way you like, anyhow. Yes, this is the frame, but this frame, there is something I'm going to put inside of it, and that is an image. I will upload this image from my PC, right? We like this. You just click on upload and you navigate to the directory of which the image you want to make use of is. Yeah, I want to make use of this image. So now the next thing is, after uploading, you just drag it to the frame, you see, like this, and you can also adjust it a bit from here, and we are done like that. Now the next thing is, you can also have this frame to have a border stroke like this. This is what I'm talking about. You can see something dark around the corner of the frame, but we can change the color. Yes, I have the color I want to make use of is teal, because that is my own brand color. Yes, I have my own brand color, and also everyone, we need our own brand color also. And also with brand color we need a logo, because a logo must be for any business brand outside. That will showcase the kind of business you are doing. This is my own brand logo. This is my own, sorry for that, please. This is my own brand logo. I placed it here like this. Yes, the reason why I'm adjusting it to this movement is, to this level rather, is because I want everything to be aligned with each other, because where we are doing a design, it must be very much aligned. You can see this line, it's straight down. That's, we call it alignment line. It must be very much aligned. If your work is not aligned, then what we are doing is absolutely rubbish. It has to be very aligned with each other. Now the next thing is the business name brand. The business name. Yes, my own business name is solution. Yeah, your own business brand name will be different from my own. That is it. It is a must. It's different, because we can't have the same business brand name. Yes, I'm going to have it placed here like this, and also I want to change the font. Here is where I'm going to change the font, and I want to use Montserrat. Let me use this one. And the color, change the color. You can change some effects. Yeah, like this. And also the spacing is too much, like this. Yes. The next thing now is to list out what I am doing, my own business name, my own business brand niche, what I am doing. But before we go, I would like to add something small here, and that is my own motto. Innovation. Yeah. Create innovation, delivering excellence. Yes. Now, to list out those that I'm saying, it's simple, but before that, I want to add an element, and that element is this. Just come to element and search for anything you want. I need a square. I need a shape called square. I'm not getting the spelling, sorry. Or even you can say rectangle. Yes, this is it. This is what I need. I need the one that is very much curved like this. I need a curved one. So now, doing this. Yeah, but me looking like this, the design is somehow jeopardy. But how are we going to correct that? We can correct that one by bringing this element at the back of this image element. And how are you going to do that? Just click on this and also layer, send backward. Can you get me? That is it. It's just as simple as that. Now with this, you can go on and have another element. Let's see this one, this square here. Let me change the color first so we can see what I'm doing. Change the color to white because these two colors are my brand color. And also in every design we must know, we must have a good color combination. I have teal and white as my branding color, and also I like to use the two colors. It's very much suitable with each other because in designing you must have a good sense of coloring combination, color combination. Yeah. The next thing is I want to add a text like this. From this text, services. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I shrunk it down so it gives me this kind of behavior. Everything in capital case, and that is what I want. Services. Reduce size like this. I have to reduce the size to the level of getting what I want. Like this. Yeah. Don't forget about the font size, about the font rather, the font family. Yes, the font family. Alright, let me choose bold, and the color, teal color, my branding color, like this. Now I have to list out everything that I'm doing. Yes, don't forget one thing, and that is grouping. As you are designing something, the elements that are compatible with each other, that the elements that go with each other, don't forget to group them. So your design elements will be okay. That if there should be anything like any mishap, there won't be, oh, you have made an error that will affect every design. No. Yes. This is what I want to say. You can even lock a design and if you lock, nothing will be able to move. It won't be able to move at all. You can lock it. You can choose to lock it. Yes. Yeah. The next thing now is these services. Let's bring them out. Yeah, my brand, I am into web development. Yeah, I'm into web development. Also, I'm into graphic design. The next one is social media marketing. Also, I am into network marketing. I'm a dropshipping trainer, also dropshipping mentor. Yeah, dropshipping business mentor. Let's stop here. But I'd like to add one more, and that is digital marketing. Yes, like this. If you are a business owner that your own business deals with selling, you can write it here like this. You list it out and what? You list them one after the other. These are what you sell. Yeah, you are doing good like that. Now, as you can see, everything is not very much aligned. It's not very much okay. It's not good looking. The next thing is to align it like this. Yeah, alignment. This is alignment. Yeah, and fonts family. The one we are using, Charlotte board. Yes. Yeah, the next thing is spacing. So everything will be very much okay. The reason why we are making use of one font family is because on a very good design, it's not making sense. It's not very much okay to have different kind of fonts. It's only if you want to make use of a stylish font. But if you are using Montserrat, be good at using your Montserrat. It's not like you should be using Montserrat and then you move to Time New Romance, you move to Horizon, Archival. No, be good with the one you are using. Stick to one. Now, yes, this is it. Yeah, I have showcased my business name up here, and also this is my logo, this is my image, and these are my services. The next thing is I need to have a call to action. Yes, with this call to action, people will be able to reach out to me if they want to hire me for any of these services. They'll be able to do so with this call to action. But how are we going to get that one? How are we going to get it? This is how we are going to get it. As we are doing the others, as we have been doing the others rather, is also the way we are going to do our call to action. But it might be a little bit tricky. Follow me closely so that you won't miss out anything from this class. Yes, this call to action, you can say a word like hire me now, order now, and so. Yeah, let's say we want to make use of hire now. Yes, you can make use of hire now. You just put it here, somewhere here. Let's put it somewhere here, this way. And also let me use of effect. Take this, change the color, the background color, and also the font color to white. The font family to Montserrat. but it needs to be very much bigger than our normal text. Yeah, now, and we are good to go like that. I'm adjusting this so that everything will be very much okay. Yeah. The next thing is, let's add our contact information, and that is why I said it's very much tricky. Our contact information. How are you going to add contact information? We have a space here, and this will be our space to add our contact information. Yes, adding our contact information, let's make use of something, an element. Let's say a WhatsApp element. WhatsApp icon. Sorry for that. Yeah, WhatsApp icon. Yeah, let's take this for an example. Just place it here, like this, and also bring out the text, your contact information. My own contact information is +234 81 67 65 9890. Yeah, this way. Firstly, I will change the font family. Secondly, I will change the color. Thirdly, I will reduce the size. And fourth, I will bring it here. Fifth, I will increase the size a bit. Sixth, I will adjust this and change its color also. Yes. Fifth, I'll add an effect. I do like to add an effect, and that effect is this shadow effect. Yeah. Let's change it to another color, maybe like black. Yeah, you can take this for example also. You see, the more I increase the intensity, the more darken it is. But no, I'm going to check this one. I'm good with this, and yeah, it's very much important to check for alignment every time in our designing. Now it's done. We're good to go. Yes. How do we now get this? How do we get it saved? This how you get it saved. You come to share, you come to download, and once again come to download, and it is downloading like this. Downloading. You just come and do what? You just come and save to anywhere you want it to be saved on your PC. For my own example now, next year I want to save it here. Save, and it has been saved like that once the download complete. Now let's check for our design template, of our design rather. Let's check our design work. Oh, it's loading. Yeah, while it's loading, yeah, you can see now this is what we've done today. This is what we did rather, and this is it. You can post it anywhere like that to showcase your business brand. You can use it as your profile picture. Anyhow you like it, you can do with it. So thank you for your time. Thank you for having you here. Meet us in the next class. My name is Abdulaziz Abdulsalam. Once again, I am the founder and the CEO of Salmi Dev Pro Data Solution, and I am happy to have every one of us here today. Thanks again. Thank you all.